Hello and welcome everyone to the Chip Builder series where we talk to those builders creating the future of AI. We're so excited to reach out to someone who is a leading builder in the chip community. He's a globe-trotting builder who is currently in Turkey. He hails from Brazil, where he not only is building, but also inspiring a community and one of our chip chapter leaders. He's one who has brought new ideas to the chip community, helping us connect to things like WhatsApp and using APIs to connect to global software. We're so excited to welcome the greatest and most powerful Fillipe since the 6th of Spain. Welcome, King Fillipe Cordeiro, to the Chip Builder series. How are you?
Thank you. How are you, Scott? I'm fine.
I'm so good. We were saying right before we hit record, it's amazing to see people from Discord jump into real life. So tell
Yeah.
us a little bit about what you're working on right now. I know you build with Chip, but you have an actual job in life where you're a technical person. So tell us what you're working on.
I'm a software engineer and a digital producer. So I like to build digital products and I like knowing about new techs. So mainly I'm working with two main things. First, I'm creating tools to my company to work better. These tools use AI to automate our process and make tasks faster and easier. Also, I'm building new digital products that use AI. So instead of creating a book or online course, I'm building cheap apps. So these products came to help people solve problems differently. So it's amazing because I get to use AI both in my company and to create new things for others.
That's amazing. And how did you kind of stumble AI originally? How did you kind of get started?
As I said before, I'm very curious about new tech. So as a software engineer, I'm always looking for new techs and I found the AI. It's amazing.
That's great. Well, like you said, you're using this often. And I think the most common question I get is, what do I use AI for? So tell me about the most successful ways that you've found to use AI for your company to automate or speed up tasks.
About the internal tools, I build tools for our company to work much faster and much smarter. So this means we can do more for our customers and grow faster. Our new digital products using AI are like mobile apps integrated with WhatsApp. So this makes easy for people to use it every day and helping them with everyday needs using a familiar tool like WhatsApp. So I believe you are making a real difference in how people work and solve problems. I have an app called Intelligent Chef. So this app is very powerful because it can transform any common recipe into a health meal. So with infinite options like no sugar, no lactose, no gluten. So help people eat better.
That's amazing. So I think that was a big eye opener for us, is learning about kind of integrating WhatsApp into Chip. And you were so quick to build that when we turned the API on. So tell me a little bit about, right now AI is often going to a site, but I like this idea of AI everywhere. So tell me kind of
Yeah.
how you see this playing out as AI gets more connected into maybe the apps and things we use every day.
I think AI will be like internet. We have internet everywhere, every app, every day in our lives. So you can make apps with AI. You can make documents with AI. You can make everything with AI. And AI, it's like a powerful tool to use every day to help you build new products, make tasks more easier, more faster. It's like that.
You're one of our Chip chapter leaders, helping lead up the Brazilian chapter. So tell us a little bit about the tech community in Sao Paulo and in Brazil, and what's getting people excited right now.
People in Brazil loves new tech too, and we starting with AI to build new products to help a lot with marketing. People in Brazil love use AI in marketing, digital marketing. So we started creating a great community to integrate products, integrate people, and learn all together.
That's great. And one thing I love about AI is how quickly it switches languages. So as someone who's
Yeah.
speaking between English and Portuguese, tell us a little bit about the experience using AI in different languages.
Yeah. Yes. So you can build an app in Portuguese, and with a little prompt, you can turn into in English and Spanish and Italian. So this is amazing because it's better than Google Translator.
That's amazing. So tell us what you're looking forward to build. We have some new features coming out with API access, and I'm sure your mind is already going to what's possible.
Yeah.
What are some
Yeah.
things that you're trying to build in the coming months?
I'm looking to migrating all my apps to WhatsApp because in Brazil, people love to use WhatsApp. So with the API chip, it's easy to use Make, for example, with no code, integrated chip apps with WhatsApp. And it's awesome.
That's so cool. Well, there's a lot of changes coming down the road with AI. So I'm curious, where do you kind of see the future of building for someone who's maybe never built before? What would you encourage them to do to get started?
Start with chip, for example, because it's a great tool. It's easy to build products, see how it works, what it can do, then think about how AI could help you in your work, in your daily life. But don't worry to know everything at first. Start small, experiment, learn as you go. And the best way to understand AI is to use it every day in your life. So the most important thing is to start now because AI is changing fast and there are so many exciting opportunities out there.
That's amazing. Well, it's so great to have you on. So great to have you build with the chip tool and then have you in the chip community as a leader. So any final thoughts you'd like to share with the community or things you'd like them to check out maybe that you've built?
Just start, guys. We have a great opportunity here. The world is changing because of AI. So you have to start.
Well, Fillipe,
Start
amazing.
start with chip.
Start with chip. There we go.
Yeah.
Well, it's great to have you, and your leadership and ideas are inspiring for our community. So thank you for building, and thanks for joining us on the chat today.
Thank you.